What's up, YouTubers? It's your boy Polly C coming at you with another episode of Carpet Cleaning Guys Vlogs. Doing this 3-bedroom hallway staircase and kind of a larger living room downstairs. And I'll be out the door. I got my solution mixed up. I'll show you the solution that I used at the end of the video, as well as the number of ounces I used in that spray bottle. Stuff is miraculous. And no, it's not called Houdini, but you will think it's Houdini when you're done seeing the results. All right. I'm using the Orbiter today. Oh yeah, look at that sticker. You should be able to order those from the Encap store if you want to put a pro sticker on your products with your custom logos. You can see I've already done that section. Look at that. Oh my gosh, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, I gotta sit on my hands to keep from clapping. Woohoo! I'm gonna buzz through this. I'll let you watch the rest of the video. I chose the Auric Orbiter today just for the sake of putting an Auric Orbiter video, showing you my new sticker. If you like it, let me know. I am using a microfiber pad. I'm not pre-scrubbing. I don't have to with the chemical of choice today on this style carpet. And I will be honest with you, it only took just the 2 gallons for the entire house. So there you go. I'm learning to mist a little lighter. I've had a few jobs where the work sprayer has just laid it out too heavy. And I did go ahead and order that rolling pump-up sprayer. So when that comes in, we'll see how that works on my smaller commercial jobs. I'll keep you posted. Without further ado, I got a few things I got to get done. I'm on a lunch break, and I've got 2 more jobs to get to, so just playing catch up. My wife's out in Las Vegas, Nevada. My daughter had a emergency C-section a month early with my granddaughter, and maybe I'll post a picture of her. She's absolutely gorgeous. They're both doing very well, and my wife is out there to help. So I'm on my own. I got a few big jobs today, so I'm just going to post this one. That's a Glad pad, all cotton pad that I use on the stairs. And on the bottom of the Auric Orbiter is the Challenger pad driver. It's the wooden pad driver with all Velcro. It holds a lot better than the original, and it doesn't tear up your pads. So I definitely recommend it, challengerop.com. And when you're looking at pad drivers, it'll say 10-inch pad driver. That's the one you want, even though it's a 12-inch driver, but the cup is a 10-inch cup size. Look at these results. Oh my gosh. Like I said, I got some stuff to do, so enjoy the rest of this video. You won't believe it. And then at the end of the video, I'll give you a sneak surprise of what I used so that you know. No booster needed, no spotting needed. Another beautiful Washington Pro Carpet Cleaning Encapsulation job in the books. I'll see you guys and gals in my next episode. Oh yeah. I think I need to hang around just to see what's going to happen here. Let's take a look at that. Do you see that? Oh my Polly. Woo! Ha ha! All right. I'll show you what I've done up here. Also, before I go, I wanted to show I don't know if you saw those black filtration lines, but you'll see me pan down along the outside of the room where that black filtration line was just, crazy thick. I told him it wouldn't come out because I didn't want to damage the wall boards. But, oh my gosh. Let me pan back over and see if I can show you right down here. Look at that. The microfiber pad just got close enough to suck that clean. Woo! All right. Stay tuned. Stay safe. And I'll see you in my next one.